This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the wedding lantern box card. Now I have assembled some of my pieces and I have done my inking. So I have inked along the edges of several of the pieces with my flames to make that more flame-like. So those things have already been done. And I'm going to start by working on the front and the back of the card. And let's just go ahead, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the front and the back of the card together. You're just going to line this up here right to the score line. Make sure it's level. Press that down. Okay. So now we have the front and back of our card. This is the front with the hollow center. This is the back. So for the back, we have these two pieces, and these are for writing a small sentiment. And then we're going to center this right here on this piece. Okay. Oh, this doesn't go with this card. Sorry, that goes with a different one. So now we're going to put on, I think I want to start with this. We're going to put on our front panels here. We're just going to glue these two together. And you're just going to center this right on this. Just kind of eyeball it. Doesn't have to be perfect. There you are. Then we're going to glue this to the front. And you're just going to line this right up to the bottom. So I'm just using my fingers to line that up. You can see it just fell right into place. Okay, and then we're going to add the top. Now that I see this, I don't know why I made this separate, but it does help to have this inked. It kind of helps define a top to your candle. And then I'm going to put that right there. Okay, so that's that. And that is the front and the back of the card. And then we have this decorative piece, and it's going to lay here on the front. And I have put on most of the rosebuds. There's just one more rosebud, and you know where they go by the little, I don't know what this part of the flower is called, but there's a spot like that for each one of them. And I'm just going to put the glue right there on that, and then line that up. Right there. And then you have these 3 flowers, and one is bigger than the others, than the other 2. It's your center flower, and then your others go like that. And I think I'm going to pop these to help with the dimension a little bit. And I'm not too happy with how my rosebuds, they're a little dark for me. I shouldn't have inked them so much, but I didn't want them blending in too much to with the lantern. So, but I think I may have inked them just a little bit too dark. Uh-oh, that didn't come off. A little paper on there. Okay. And then, so then this is going to sit here on the front of your lantern. I'm also going to pop it up, but I'm going to wait. There is some baby's breath, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue like on the stem and behind it, and I'm just going to kind of fit them in. There's 5 of them, and I have already adhered, obviously, the flowers to them. So you can see here from the back that you see where you place the flowers when you're using these. You don't have to use all of them. You don't have to use any of them. Just add them to your own taste. They just kind of help fill in some of the green. I'm just looking to see where I might want them, if I want them all. Everything always looks different on the computer screen when you're designing, and then that's why I like to have a little bit of flexibility with the patterns. Okay, so I'm gonna first finish putting the card together before I put that on. And now you have your candle, so you're just gonna layer your pieces for it. Again, I inked the edges of mine just to give it a little more depth, hopefully make it look more like a candle. So this is pretty straightforward. There we are. And then this would even be a really pretty sympathy card. Sympathy or wedding, either one. I don't know where this little flick came from. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to stand my card up, and I'm going to put glue on this tab. I'm going to lay it down flat against the back and just close my card around it. Okay. And then I'm going to put glue on this tab. And I'm going to fold this card over and grab that side here. Fold it both ways. And then we're going to put glue here on this tab and close it up. Okay, so that's what we have so far. And then for my flower, I am going to now you have to be careful here at the bottom. You don't want your flower to hang over the edge of the bottom because it will keep it from setting flat. Or I should say it will keep it from standing up. Let me look at this again because I have to determine where to put this. So the bottom, I have to be a little bit careful of where I put my piece of foam tape because I don't want it hanging over the edge. And then the rest of it, I am just going to let's just make sure about right here. Oops. Right there. Okay. All right, now and there it is. There is the wedding lantern box card. Thank you for joining me.